This year, 11 kids have been killed in Kansas City. Most of those lives taken by someone with a gun. Today, a group of Kansas City teens shed light on the impact of gun violence in their lives. They shared their experiences with Jackson County legislators today, advocating for change. I'm John Holt.
I'm Lauren Halifax. They offered ideas to make our communities safer. Fox 4's Lexi French listened to the testimony, and she's live now outside the Jackson County Courthouse. Lexi, why is this topic so important to these young people who spoke?
Lauren, they've all gone through an experience related to gun violence, and they want to make sure that other children don't have to go through or witness the same situation. So today, they shared their experiences with gun violence and gave suggestions on ways to reduce and prevent gun violence in Kansas City. Kira Hamden is one of several teens who spoke on Monday.
I've been in two situations from gun violence, people shooting outside a funeral, and some girl at the house I was at got mad and decided to get her people to shoot up the house with other kids in the house, and that put everybody in danger.
Justice Vance shared a similar experience. While her family was at a restaurant one day, she says people sitting behind her were arguing, and that led to gunshots.
You know, a fight broke out behind us over, a piece of trash, and one of the guys just got out his gun and shot the other man, and it was very traumatizing for me and my siblings, and that's why it's very important for me. And I hope by me speaking out like earlier helps keep guns from the wrong people. That way the kids in our neighborhoods, in our community can feel more safe.
Following testimonies, the Jackson County Public Health Department presented an analysis on violence in the area and discussed the need for an Office of Gun Violence Prevention, an initiative Jackson County legislator Manny Abarca introduced.
I think it's a really great step to take, and I think that the Gun Violence Prevention Office will help keep guns from going to the wrong people and help minimize the deaths that are in our communities because of gun violence.
An ordinance originally suggested by teens from Moore Squared and Youth Ambassadors KC was also introduced. It would put age restrictions on firearm possession for people under 21.
And so there's some opportunities really to push this legislation forward, and I think it's timely for us to talk about juvenile prohibition in our communities where youth seem to be picking up weapons faster than anyone else and perpetuating this violence.
Teens we talked to today stressed the importance of communication and other coping skills in tense situations that have the potential of turning violent. They also suggested a community room where children and young adults can gather together safely. Lauren?
Lexi French at the Jackson County Courthouse in Kansas City. Thanks, Lexi.